our countertop bakery refrigerator display. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length of 59.5 inches, depth 22 inches, overall height of 27 inches. On the bottom, we have a measure of 9 inches for the bottom stainless steel cover. Coming to the back of the bakery case will be dual slide doors, along with an LED strip located on the ceiling inside the bakery display. 2 shelves that can be adjusted to the level of your preference, with the first shelf measuring 13 inches in depth, and the bottom shelf measuring at least 14.25 inches. And the overall height of the bakery display from the bottom to the top of the ceiling, we have at least 15.75 inches. And the measurement for the top and bottom shelf, total length measures 57.5 inches. Coming to the bottom lower right corner will be the power switch along with the temperature control. The 110-120 voltage. Coming to the bottom will be your ETL certification and circuit diagram for this countertop bakery display. For more information, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.